Alright, please join me while installing Snowflake. For those of you that don't know, Snowflake is a transport for Thor, and it's right now the best way to escape censorship. It is part of the Thor project, so it's legit, and it's very difficult to block. So it's really of a lot of help for people living in countries where internet is highly censored. Ergo, you'll be doing a very nice thing, right? So here on the Snowflake project website, there are several ways to like it's documented how to install everywhere, and the easiest way is just installing the browser extension. But this will only get us so far, because usually our computers are behind a NAT, so it's not as useful as it can be. And today what I want to do is I want to install the daemon in one machine, and it's supposed to be able to route more people through your entry point. Now, in order to do this, I have started a machine on Vultr. I chose it because it's super easy to get a good enough virtual private server for a reasonable amount of money. So this machine costs like $5 per month. I disabled backups. I just added both IPv4 and v6. I'm not sure if Snowflake will make use of it, but better safe than sorrow. And yeah, we can log in and start working on it. But first, you need to know that it's a Ubuntu installation, and there's a good reason for that, because I'm not going to use any of the current installations listed here. I have packaged Snowflake myself as a snap, which is a package format for Ubuntu, but it can be used on other Linux distributions. It just comes pre-installed with Ubuntu. And that is what we're going to be using, because I think it's just simpler. And yeah, let's go. Let's SSH into this server as root. I have already been here before. I didn't add my key even, just like copy from here and forget. And let's see. Snap should be installed, but no snaps should be there. And then this is what I have packaged, and we're going to install it. So we copy, because it's root already. We don't need the sudo, and this should be as easy as this. It's going to now download the snap, and it starts the service. Let's wait for it a little bit. And that should be it for now. We can check the logs like this. And you see that the proxy has started, and at some point it should make a check and tell us if we are in restricted or unrestricted NAT, right? So right now it's restricted, which is exactly the same as running the browser extension. And what we want is we want the NAT to be unrestricted, and that should help more people, right? So now We should have UFW running here. I think that's the default. Yes, it's active. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow the this port range to be accessed on our host. Again, no sudo needed in this case. And so we can see, yeah, it's already working there. And so now we are going to restart the our service. Restarts, and let's again watch the logs, and now the NAT type is unrestricted. And that is pretty much it. It's very simple, and people will start connecting almost immediately. You are helping a lot of people this way that cannot directly connect to the Tor network, and you're fighting censorship. Yeah, let's fight censorship together. Have a nice day.